So in this station today, you are going to think about the signpost known as a memory moment. Memory moments are pretty popular in a lot of different books, and it usually happens when a character almost goes back in time to think a little bit about something that's happened in their past. Whenever that happens, we can learn about some of our characters and how their past experiences might shape the character that they are today or at that point in the novel. So when we think of a memory moment, we can look out for those moments where the plot or a part of the story is interrupted by a memory the character is having about something from the past. And whenever that occurs, we want to stop and ask ourselves, why might this memory be important? So as we're reading Waiting for Normal, we'll get a glimpse into Addie's past, and whenever we do, we want to stop and ask ourselves, why might this memory be important? So now, with your group, we'd like you to spend a few minutes checking out a short film called Snack Attack, which does include a few memory moments. So while you're watching this clip, when you spot that memory moment, be sure to stop and ask yourself why this memory might be important. So at this point, if you haven't done so already, please take a moment to pause the video and talk to your table about some of the memory moments you were able to spot in that clip. So your next step for today is going to be to move on to some journaling in the Waiting for Normal section of your writer's notebook. Hopefully you have your writer's notebook with you. If you don't, you may quietly go grab it. And what you are going to be doing is writing about a memory moment in Waiting for Normal. If you can't think of one, your next steps would be to go back and reread, or possibly to read ahead if you haven't gotten there yet, if you haven't visited the reading station yet. I can't wait to check out your journal entries.